In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your invoices in Xero. Whether you're looking to personalize your business documentation or maintain a professional appearance, adding a logo to your invoices is a straightforward way to make your brand stand out. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the sales section within Xero. You'll find this option located on the top bar of your dashboard. Clicking on Sales takes you into an area where all your sales-related documents and settings reside. Once you're here, you'll want to look for an option labeled Sales Settings. This is your gateway to customizing the sales documents you send out. Inside Sales Settings, the next destination is Invoice Settings. This section is crucial because it contains the templates for all your invoices. These templates dictate the layout, style, and content of the invoices you send to your clients. By modifying these templates, you can ensure all your transactional documents look as professional as possible and reflect your brand's identity. Once you've clicked on Invoice Settings, you'll see a list of your existing invoice templates. At this stage, it's important to choose the specific template you wish to modify. Each business might have different templates for various purposes, so ensure you are working on the right one. Next to your chosen template, you'll notice an Options button. Go ahead and click on that. Under the Options dropdown, look for the option that says Change Logo. This feature enables you to replace or upload a new image file that represents your business on the invoice template. After you click on Change Logo, a window will appear prompting you to upload your logo file. Be sure that your logo is appropriately formatted. This generally means using common image formats like JPEG, PNG, or similar types. Also, consider the dimensions and the clarity, as a logo that's too large might appear distorted, while one that's too small might lose visibility. Once your file is ready to go, hit the button to upload it. Wait a moment as Xero processes and integrates your logo into the invoice template. And just like that, you've successfully added a logo to your Xero invoices. Adding a logo not only reinforces your brand, but also helps create a cohesive and professional look for all your business communications. This small change can leave a big impression on your clients and help your invoices stand out. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial and empowering your business with the personal touch of branded invoices. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your Xero experience.